In this video, I'm going to show you how to share audio to Google Meet using VLC step by step, as it's side so everyone in your meeting can hear the media clearly. This is super useful if you want to play music, a sound clip, a lecture recording, or any other audio file during a meeting without making things confusing. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. VLC is a great tool because it can play almost any media file, and in this setup, it helps you prepare the audio or video you want to share. Once VLC is open, go ahead and open the video or audio file you want to play. You can do this by clicking Media, then Open File, and selecting your file from your computer. If you're using a browser-based setup or a VLC web plugin, make sure the media is ready and loaded before you begin the meeting. Next, open your web browser and join your Google Meet meeting. Once you're inside the meeting, or if you're creating one yourself, click Start an Instant Meeting. This takes you into the meeting room where you can begin sharing your screen or a tab. At this point, it's a good idea to make sure your browser and VLC are both ready, so you don't waste time searching for the file while everyone is waiting. Now, in Google Meet, look for the Present Now or Screen Sharing option. When the sharing options appear, select a tab. This is important because sharing a tab gives you more control over audio than sharing your entire screen. It also keeps the audio cleaner and helps participants hear the media more directly through the browser. After selecting a tab, choose the browser tab where the VLC audio is being shared, or choose the browser tab that is playing the media if you're not using the VLC web plugin. If your media is being routed through a browser tab, make sure you pick the correct one because only the selected tab will be shared with the meeting. Before you click share, look for the option that says also share all audio outputs. Turn that on. This is the key step that allows Google Meet to transmit the sound to everyone in the meeting instead of just showing the video or tab visually. Without enabling audio sharing, participants may see the content but won't hear anything, so don't skip this part. Once everything is selected, click share. Google Meet will now begin broadcasting that tab along with its audio to the rest of the participants. After that, go back to VLC and press play on the media file. If everything is set up correctly, the audio should start coming through in the meeting. Now take a moment to confirm that the participants can actually hear the audio. You can ask someone in the meeting to verify it or watch for feedback in the chat. If the sound is too quiet, stop for a second and adjust your volume in VLC, your system volume or your browser tab volume. Sometimes the issue is as simple as the media being muted or the tab audio being turned down too low. If the audio still isn't working, double check that you selected the correct tab and that audio sharing is enabled. Also make sure the file is actually playing in VLC or in the browser tab you chose. These small checks usually solve most problems quickly, and that's it. You've now learned how to share audio to Google Meet using VLC. It's a simple workflow once you know the steps, and it can save you a lot of time during presentations, study sessions, or virtual events. If this video helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.